This is my first video of Arduino video series. So this video I discuss what are the things you need for starting Arduino relevant programming or development. So first you need any kind of Arduino microcontroller. So I select Arduino Uno for development, and this is our first development. So I try to blink LED using Arduino code. Then you need to connect for your Arduino board, and you need some jumper wires. For this example, I will connect my LED to digital 13 pin in my Arduino board, and other pin for ground. Right, this is how it connected. I will put the circuit diagram in description line. So I use 100 ohms resistor, and I connected LED to Arduino module, to Arduino 13 pin. Then you need to connect it to a computer using this connector cable. Then you need to download Arduino IDE to your computer. I will put the link in description line. You can download here based on your operating system, and you can install it to your computer. Once you download and successfully install it, it will look like this. So it contains file, edit, sketch, tool, and help, and let's say tool, auto format, fix, encoding, and reload. And you can select here tab called board, and you can select any kind of Arduino development board. So currently I'm use Arduino Uno, so I select Arduino Uno, and there are some examples. You can see here examples. Let's write a code for blink our LED, which are connected in digital 13 pin in Arduino board. So actually this is the code block look like. So it contains main two blocks. One block calls void setup, and the other one called void loop. So main differences between these two: the setup loop will only execute one time when the powered up your microcontroller. The loop will continue until your microcontroller power. Let's start coding. First you need to define a pin for your LED. So I defined int LED pin equal 30. 13 means the connected pin number of our LED. Int means this is an integer type variable, and this is the pin we are connected. Then we need define a pin mode for our 13 pin or LED pin. It's mean, let's say if we trying to read something from using this pin, we need to define this pin as a input pin. So currently we are going to blink LED, so we need to define this pin as a output pin. So pin mode is a syntax we are using a define pin mode. LED pin out. So this is how define a pin mode. We are define 13 pin as output. Then we need to write some value to our pin number 13. So we can write digital. We can use digital write LED pin as high. Delay 1000. Right. This line of code used to high your LED pin values to 5 volts, and this line of code used for delays mean holding the 5 volts value for 1000 millisecond. Then this line we use for low LED pin value. So when you upload this code to your Arduino, the LED blink and hold 1000 millisecond, and the LED uh, off. Then I put some delay for uh, hold the LED as off. uh, right. So first this line refer for connected LED pin. We are connected our LED to the 13 digital pin in our Arduino module. Then this is a setup function. This function will work once the controller got powered, uh, and we define pin mode. We need to get output voltages, so we define this pin mode as output. Then this is the loop function. This is a continuous function when the microcontroller. So I write digital write LED pin high, it's mean the LED blink, and we hold the blink in 1000 millisecond, and we off the LED and we hold the off in 1000 millisecond. Right. Once you've done this programs, we can compile it, and we can upload it to your Arduino controller. Right. It says successfully uploaded. So you can see here it will blink and off within 1000 millisecond. So this is our first Arduino program, how to blink LED. So I will cover overall what are the things you need to before we start Arduino. So in this Arduino Code Ninja program, I will hope to continue some session of series relevant to Arduino development with sensor modules and complex electronics equipments. So hope you guys like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.